This 5-minute solution will show you how to have multiple Monopoly Go accounts. Using multiple Monopoly Go accounts or switching Monopoly Go accounts is really very easy process. First of all, open the Monopoly Go application, and once you are here, tap on this menu icon, tap on settings, tap on connect account, and as you can see, I've already connected my Facebook account here. So to switch account or use multiple account, first of all you have to disconnect your current Facebook account. So tap on disconnect, tap on disconnect. Once done, go to your phone homepage and search for Monopoly Go. Then tap and hold on the Monopoly Go app. Tap on app info, and here scroll down and tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Once done, relaunch your Monopoly Go app and tap on menu, tap on settings, tap on connect account, and here you will get connect option for Facebook. And now you have to use your another Facebook account. So that's how we can use multiple Monopoly Go accounts. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.